What's up guys, welcome to another video, and today is a rad day because we are doing the new project reveal. Obviously the Hilux is gone, new project is here, and I'm super pumped to show you guys, so I'm not really going to beat around the bush. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Here it is, a Toyota T18. Give you guys a little bit of context about why I chose this car as the next project. So it all started for me back in New Zealand when I got my first ever car, and that was a Toyota Starlet hatchback, and the love for old school Toyotas kind of just grew from there. I had another couple of Starlets. I had a K30 wagon, I had a K20, I had a K70 wagon. I had a bunch of old Toyotas. I love them, they're awesome, and this popped up for sale. A friend of mine had it for sale, and I thought, why not take it back to the roots and take it back to Toyota. So let's have a look and see what the deal is with this thing. So as you can see, this thing has so much rust. You can literally see like wires through there. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but this thing is literally falling apart with rust, and that is one of my favorite things about this car, is how much rust it's got, weirdly enough. Look at that, all the rust. Got a nice flat tire there. Wow. And of course this thing has no engine, which is a good thing, and that is actually another reason that I bought this car, because it doesn't have an engine, and you know that we like to do weird different things. So this will not be getting the original engine put back in, nor will it be getting a Toyota engine in this car. We are going to be putting a BMW M40 turbo engine in this car. So that's a 1.8 litre single cam BMW engine from the E30s and E36s. We're going to put that in this car. We're going to put a turbo setup on it, and we're going to take you guys through the whole process. So because a lot of people have been asking me about turboing their BMWs and turboing their M40s, so we're going to take you through the whole process, which is mad. So this is going to be a Toyota Corolla, but with the BMW engine, which is super weird. It's so old and manky. The dash is just super cracked. No driver's seat, but it's right because we have a bucket seat for it. This thing is awesome, so old school spec. We've got everything we need. We've got the light lenses, we've got the dash surround for up here. So basically this thing is going to be a purpose-built drift car. It's just going to be a fun car. We're going to put a roll cage in it. We're going to put some wheels on it. I've got some really cool wheels for it. This thing is going to be super Jap spec T18 liftback old school drift car. We did think about turning it into a ute, but it just looks so cool as it is. So I know there's a lot of rust in it, but it doesn't matter because it's a drift car. We don't care about rust. Rust makes the car lighter. We're still going to make it look really nice and do all the cool mods in it. I reckon I'll put some fender mirrors on it and all that stuff, but yeah, this is it. I'm so excited about this. It's going to be so cool. Chrome bumpers. It's actually going to look ridiculously cool once it's finished. So that is the new project. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. If there's any mods you think that I should do to the car, put them in the comments below. I'm open to suggestions. We're going to be doing that over the next couple of months. Of course, we've also got to get the E36 ready for the Adam LZ event coming up. So just going to have a bunch of videos coming out, which is mad, but stay tuned because the T18 Toyota Corolla A70 thing is going to be awesome. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram for all the behind the scenes updates, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.